Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that affects almost all of us: car insurance. Whether you're a new driver or looking to save some serious cash on your premiums, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through some tried and true strategies to help you find affordable car insurance here in Canada. Let's get started. So, the very first step in finding cheap car insurance is comparison shopping. Head over to websites like TD Auto Insurance, Aviva, Allstate, Intact, and many more, where you can enter your details and get quotes from multiple insurers in just a few clicks. Remember, different insurers offer different rates. After you get quotes, compare them and choose wisely and finalize it. So this is key to finding the best deal. Next up, consider bundling your insurance policies. If you have home insurance or other types of coverage, bundling them with the same insurer often leads to significant discounts. It's a win-win for both savings and convenience. Another tip to lower your premiums is to adjust your deductible. By opting for a higher deductible, that means the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in, you can often score lower monthly premiums. Just make sure you're comfortable with the deductible amount you choose. Insurers love safe drivers, so keeping a clean driving record free of accidents and tickets can lead to lower premiums. It's a simple but effective way to save money on your car insurance. Don't forget to explore discounts and special programs offered by insurers. This could include discounts for low mileage, good student discounts, installing anti-theft devices, or even loyalty rewards. Every little bit counts when it comes to saving money on insurance. Completing a recognized defensive driving course can sometimes qualify you for a discount on your insurance premium. If your car is older and its value has depreciated significantly, consider dropping comprehensive and collision coverage to save on premiums. By taking the time to research, compare quotes, and explore available discounts and programs, you're taking proactive steps towards potentially saving hundreds of dollars on your car insurance premiums each year.